Hello everyone, and welcome back to John and Mandy Go RVing.
Thanks for joining us here at the 2022 Hershey RV Show. Today we are here to check out the 2023 Winnebago Hike 100 1316 FB, which is a new rugged travel trailer loaded with features, yet light enough to be towed by smaller SUVs. There are 5 different floor plans to choose from, and 1 color scheme for the 2022 release. The length of this unit is 15 feet 11 inches with a GVWR of 4,200 pounds. The freshwater tank capacity is 31 gallons, the gray water tank capacity is 25 gallons, and the black tank capacity is 4.75 gallons. There is a 13,500 BTU low-profile air conditioner to keep you cool in the summer, and an 18,000 BTU LP furnace to keep you warm in the cooler months. There is a 6-gallon gas-electric DSI water heater and a 20-pound LP tank. Also included in this Winnebago Hike 100 is a 200-watt solar panel with a 30-amp charge control monitor and side-mount solar prep. Now that we've covered some of the specifications and features of this unit, let's get a closer look at what this travel trailer has to offer, starting with the outside here. So starting with the front here, we have a power tongue jack, and we have a 20-gallon LP tank. And as you can see here, there's protection frame here, the whole way around, roll bars. Got some nice tires here with good suspension for off-road. There's storage here on the side. Coming around the back here, we have an access point where you can put in a kayak, your e-bikes, what have you. Coming around the other side here, we have our power hookup, some more storage here underneath for a basement, and a little bit more over the tire here. We got our hot water heater, outdoor shower, and city water hookup. And in this door is where you empty your toilet. Okay, let's move inside.
So I'm sure many of you wonder how we're able to travel as often as we do.
One tool we like to use when looking for campgrounds is Thousand Trails.
It's a campground membership with plans to meet your camping needs. The Thousand Trails system offers a variety of RV sites, tent sites, and cabins, plus many offer a ton of amenities and activities. Many are located near popular vacation destinations. We found that the campgrounds serve as a perfect home base when we're exploring new areas. Thousand Trails can work for the weekend campers, full-time RVers, and every type of camper in between. The membership specialists will work with you personally to fit the membership to your camping needs and budget. Contact Michael and Lori, membership specialists who are ready to answer your questions. And please don't forget to mention John and Mandy Go RVing when you call.
We come into the kitchen here. Got our fridge underneath, the small freezer inside of it, 1-door fridge. Got your oven above it, your convection microwave oven. Your control center's up here, and your little storage there next to it. And then here's your sink, covered sink, outlet, and some storage underneath. And you have a little bit of a shelf above it as well. Right next to it, you have the wet bath. And that also gives you options for shelving. You could take that out to use the bathroom. We have a closet here with a hanging rod. You have your fuse box underneath. Here's your air condition. Looking to the back here now, we got cabinets across the top, 4 of them. We have a bunk set up, and then we have a nice seat here, which will turn into a bed as well. A little table here you can put up as well. And that's about it for this unit. Nice little unit. You got your USB hookup back there. So yeah, you can sleep a few people in here, not bad. Well, thanks everyone for watching this episode. And if you found this video helpful, then please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. Take care everyone, and happy travels.